Hi again, I'm Noor from Portfolio Activation Specialist team. Welcome to our EA Management series. In this video, we will learn how to create a virtual account. But first, what is a virtual account? It is a mini account below the smart account. So how can we create it? First of all, you have to open Cisco Software Central website. In order to make sure that you have logged in successfully, you will find your initials on the top right corner of the page. After that, scroll down till you reach the six menu categories. Then please go to Manage Smart Account and click on Manage Account in blue. Then please click on the second tab, which is called Virtual Accounts, and click on Create Virtual Account button. Proceed without. So mainly here we have two steps. The first one is to set up the account settings, and the second one is to assign users. So first you name the virtual account, for example, test 5, and then you choose the parent account, whether this account is at the top level or which account should be above. Let's make it as default. Lastly, you choose the access level, whether it's public or private, and it's better to make it as public to make it easier for you in the upcoming steps and to find it easily. And then you click on Next. Here comes the second step, which you assign users. So basically, you click on Assign Users and you choose the access scope, whether this user should have access to only this account or this account and its children. And then you choose the user role, whether it's an account administrator or a user. Let's make it as an administrator. And then you add the person with their email, and don't forget to add them with their CCO ID. And then you click on Add. As you can see here, my name and my email, and then you click on OK. Now you assign the user. After that, you click on Next, and the last step is to review to make sure that all of the data you entered is correct. And lastly, you click on Create Virtual Account. That's it. Now the virtual account has been created. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out.